I disappear into the sound where no edge of self is found. Every breath, every tear becomes my own, becomes us here. There is no line between you and me, only one vast awareness. See your joy, your sorrow, your refrain moves through me without a name. I listen deeper than the ear, into the space where all draw near. Time dissolves, the stories fade, a single truth is gently laid. No myth remains to keep apart the many faces of one heart. Opposites soft and conflict clears as unity replaces years. This listening heals without a word, a silent language felt not heard. Presence speaks in perfect tone, reminding us we are not alone. Fear unravels into grace as love reveals its natural face. The weight of history starts to lift as empathy becomes the gift. I feel the whole in every part, the pulse of life, the beating heart. No center lost, no soul denied. All are held on every side. The wheel of life turns slow and sure. At its center, peace is pure. What once was feared now opens wide as collective truth steps inside. Through listening, the world is known. Through empathy, we come back home. A fellowship that truly sees